Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be reacting to another video and I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will be reacting to Marcin, Master of Puppets, played on live. So without further ado, we will start. So let's go. Let's start. Wow, it's beautiful as always. Even he just like little tap the guitar and his fingers are moving very fast and wow, amazing. Ooh.
Yeah. Ah.
He's very cool. My God, it's like he's sitting there like very chill while playing the guitar, but it's unbelievable. It's totally amazing. It's so good.
Now it's no.
I'm just speechless while watching him playing. It's just amazed me how good he is. Ooh.
Whatever it is then, doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
I love his smile. Oh my God. So beautiful. Sounds really good. Ooh. Totally amazing. He's very talented. Wow.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
So that is the end. Oh my God. Another amazing performance. I'm speechless and totally amazed. He's very talented, like always. So that is my reaction for this video. And before I forget, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some suggestions, just comment down below. I'm reading all your comments. So that's all for now. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.